So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade or install Popcorn version 2. First of all, click into your account where you purchased the theme. Select Downloads and select Popcorn version 2 and download that onto your computer. Once done, log into your website. Then select Appearance from the menu and click Themes. To install the new version of Popcorn, simply click the Add New button at the top of the screen. Then select Upload Theme. You'll then need to choose the file that you've just downloaded from Popcorn. Select the new version, click Open, and click Install Now. You'll then need to click Activate, and that's it. Popcorn 2 is now installed on your website. Now, before we get started, this theme does require the Gutenberg plugin, and you'll need to activate that. So first of all, let's begin by clicking Begin Install. Then simply select Install, click Apply, and once done, click Activate, and we're ready to go. So if we take a look at the website, you can see the theme is now installed. We have our hero image, we have some categories, it's pulled the logo through, and it's automatically pulled the tagline. So to install your menu, we need to simply click the Site Edit button in the top left-hand corner. The menu bar will appear, and we now need to click the three little dots in the top right-hand corner. This will pull down the option settings, and we need to go to Preferences. Then select the slider that says Always Open List View. Then simply refresh your page, and you'll see on the left hand side this list menu is now available. Now highlight the menu section and click just outside the writing, and another submenu will appear. Then click the gear icon in the top right hand corner. Select the menu and click Import Classic Menu or Top Menu. It doesn't matter, it will both bring your old menu back. And there we go, your old menu should now have populated, and we can simply click Save and save again. So let's just go take a look at that on the front end. Click Dashboard, click your website name, and we can see there the menu has generated. Now if we want to simply click one just to check that the categories have pulled through, you can see there it's worked perfectly. So the next thing we're going to do is work on the hero image. So again, click Edit Site, double click on the hero image itself, and we can now edit this as you wish. So I'm going to change the title first. And then add a catchy tagline. So the next thing I'm going to replace is the hero image. So all we need to do for that is select the cover tab on the left hand side. Click Replace and open the media library. I'm then going to select an image that I want for that hero section. and simply click Save. We can now make some adjustments to this image. We can change the opacity, we can change the position by simply using the menu on the right hand side. So the first thing we can do is move the image around. You'll see the focal point picker. You can simply drag that around and select the best position for your image. We can then change the opacity, again using this slider here. So the next thing we're going to want to do is these call to action buttons. So I'm going to link these to the page I want my visitors to go to. Simply click the link tab, search and find the page or the category. Once done, we can simply change the wording. And that call to action is done. We can simply repeat the process on the other button. On this one, let's send them to the About page. Again, click the link, search for your About page, and select the one you want. And that is it. So the next section we're going to work on is these category boxes here. I've got 3. I'm going to create a different category. So on this one, I'm going to create a link straight through to my lawn care section. So you can just type lawn care and then change the writing here, maybe add something a little bit catchy to entice them to click this box. And then we can adjust the call to action button. And again, let's write something that sends them to the category that we want, so lawn care tips. And then we're going to click the link icon and we're going to link that to the lawn care page. Once done, we can simply repeat the process on the rest of the boxes. So for instance, let's do this one on soil care. And again, we're going to use the call to action button to send them to this category or silo of content. And there we go. And I'll continue that for all 3 boxes. Now we can alter the number of boxes you have in this position. So if you'd like more or less, simply go to the list section on the left hand side, select the column, which is that group of boxes, click the 3 icons and simply select a column or box you'd like to remove, and you can see we've now gone down to just a 2 box option. Now if you'd like more than 2 or more than 3, you can have as many as you wish. Simply go to where it says column, select the 3 dots and click duplicate, and you can see we will simply create another box, and now we're back to the original 3. Now like I say, if you want more, you would just do that process again, click duplicate, and you can see we now have 4 boxes in that position. So you'd obviously need to go into each one, correct the typing and link them to the selective categories you'd like them to go to. Now if you want to remove this section entirely, you can simply go to Group, click the 3 red dots and select Remove Group. You can see how the website would now look without that featured box at the top. So the category boxes have now gone. So we're looking pretty good. We've got our menu in place, we have our hero image set up, we've altered the call to action boxes, we've removed them in this case, and we now just need to do a couple more things, which is number 1, link everybody over to your main content, and also a little bit on the footer. So let's start with the read our blog section. Simply click edit site. Select the box we want to link to, which is in this case read our blog. Click the pencil, delete the hash, and then search for the category we'd like to send the people to. Now this is usually your blog section on your website. In my case, I'm going to send them to the gardening tips, as this has the bulk of my content, and then simply click save in the top right hand corner, and we are done. Now all that's left to do is the footer section. Now there are multiple layout options you can build using this theme, but I'm just going to simply change the basic one here. You can see I'm just going to add a description for my affiliate disclaimer, and then I'm going to link it to my privacy policy. So I'm currently with Ezoic and I use their privacy policy, so I'm just going to search for that, select the privacy policy, and that's one part of the footer completed. So as I say, you can put anything you like in this footer. You can be very creative with it. So for instance here, if you didn't want any more text, we can simply get rid of this section here. Select this block, click the little add button, and we could add anything we like in this section. So for instance here, we could add something like maybe even a calendar. There you go, you can see we've generated the calendar. Again, if we didn't want that, remove that, click the title, click the little plus button, and then we can add something else. So maybe this time we'll put an image in just for demonstration purposes. Click upload, select the image that you'd like, and there you go. Again, you can replace this or you can remove it. You can be as creative as you wish. Then simply click save and you are all done. So the final thing I want to show you is styles. If you click the icon in the top right hand corner, you'll see a number of styles and colours that we've pre-selected and made for you. I think this is really exciting. Just at a click of a button, you can change the look of your website. So click Browse Styles and you will see the different variations. So you can see chocolate mode, minimal mint, monochrome. There's lots of different funky colours and patterns you can choose from. Just simply select that one that you like. I'm going to choose minimal mint. Click save and save again. Now it's worth bearing in mind this can actually take a minute or two to update on the home page. In my case it actually updated very quickly, and you can see here we've got the minimal mint, which I think is looking fantastic. So I hope this tutorial helps you install Popcorn Theme 2 and I hope you really enjoy it. Thanks for watching.